covert narcissistic abuse. What does that even mean? You want to know how to prove that in the context of family court? You want to be able to prove that, for example, there's a narcissistic abuse, but it's hidden because it's covert. So how do we show that? Well, if there is such a thing to be proven, you're going to have to document it very well. There's going to have to be a systematic pattern of control that's being shown. Now, you may be able to show this. You may not be able to show by text or by emails or by recording that one parent is attempting to abuse in this way. I'll tell you one thing. It may be very, very helpful in a case such as this, where these allegations could exist, to get a psychological evaluation from a trained professional, because the idea of saying, well, this is covert narcissistic abuse, that is really a diagnosis. And that diagnosis should come from a licensed professional who has the qualification to give that diagnosis. And that evaluation, by the way, will probably show that this is what's going on and it is impacting the child in ways A, B, C, and D. Okay? That's what should be shown. It should be based on the science. Forget the emotional reactions and all the hysteria and all that you could show in the court. The court doesn't care about that. Somebody gets up and kicks and screams or yells or cries. The court has seen all that a million times. Okay? That's not going to cut it. You're going to have to show in a business-like manner, in good faith, through an appropriately qualified professional that those things are going on. And that can best be done by using psychological or psychiatric evaluations to support the claim.